Okay, hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jovian Dian Pratama, and then I will present my research in here at ICMScE, or International Conference Mathematics and Science Education at 2021. And this is my research with my team. Yeah. Okay, the research team. Another member on my team. Yeah. Mr. Nafis Haikal is my teammate for my research from graduate school with major mathematics in Diponegoro University. And then Dr. Ratna and Dr. Susilo is my and our supervisor for my thesis and this research. And in here, um, I will present my research with the title Application of Orbit Source Data Fitting for DIPSTICK Calibration. And this research sponsored by Candirejo Tuntang Gas Station. And then this research funded by Faculty Science and Mathematics in Diponegoro University too. And in introduction, I will explain why I use data fitting to calibration. So this is the alternative way, yeah, alternative method to fitting data with orbit modes data fitting is an alternative method of interpolation, extrapolation, or another method in fitting data with a complicated calculation. And then orbit modes data fitting is more simple have a simple calculation. So this is why I will introduce you guys, and this is our research. Yeah. And this research with calibration, yeah, the basis of calibration is based on data from the full dispenser, and it's not that, but uh, we use methodology against the data, and this is our problem in gas station, uh, because based on data from the full dispenser, there is always a difference between the calculation of the stick and the fuel dispenser. And the second, based on data from gas station, total percentage of gas station operational losses is due to inaccuracy measuring fall to above liters, above 100 liters. Yeah, it's too many error, yeah, with dipstick. And the third, yeah, the existence of the significant calculation error from the result of linear interpolation in the UT. UT means underground tanks, yeah. Measurement manual. UT measurement manual can be seen in figure 2, yeah. Uh, in here, but I will explain this before the assumption of an overview results, yeah. There is a assumption, five assumptions to uh, when you use the orbit mouse data fitting. Yeah. And I will explain the negativity and the advantage of the data fitting methods. This data fitting orbits mode. And the one, yeah, the resultant approximation function is the change in the volume of fuel in the underground tank, which only depends on the height variable. So The delta V with V is volume depends on the variable of H. What H? Yeah, H the full oil in the underground tank. Yeah. So that is the data that we use. Yeah. And the second data fitting mode, orbit mode data fitting proposed by the researcher is used only for the distribution data that form a semicircle and ellipse in the first quadrant. Yeah. And the third, the data used in is not the field data in gas station, no, but we use meteorology agency data. And the fourth, it is assumed the UT is not titled, yeah, aka flat, yeah, flat, and the tanker trucks delivering fuel to gas stations or filling supplies at the gas station, this including, yeah. Okay, and the fifth, yeah, underground tank for the right and left, yeah, right and left have the same shape, yeah, aka symmetrical. This is because why we use the orbital data fitting when the the coordinate of the function, yeah, is make a half circle or half ellipse in the first quadrant, yeah. And this is the design of the underground tank. We look from the front. We look from the front or in the end of the underground tank. So we look a circle, yeah. That is a symmetrical circle, yeah. So we make a approximation function from that, yeah. This is the linear interpolation. We we can look the approximation from the linear interpolation have some error, yeah. The circle is should be circle, yeah. The in front of the tank, yeah, it should be circle, and then is why the Robinson data fitting used for calibration. And this is the results of the Arduino data fitting from 3 and 4. The reference 3 and 4 is my research before this. Yeah, before this, I already did research to compress, yeah, to compress compression of with least square with versus orbit mode and uh, orbit mode data fitting versus the cubic spline interpolation. And the results is, yeah, orbit mode the function is above the least square. Is why? Because because the end of the underground tank is not flat, yeah, but make some convex shape, yeah. Okay, it makes a lot of difference, yeah. Not actually it's not a lot, yeah, but for least square and the cubic spline, yeah, is complicated with the degrees more 2 degrees more, yeah, is complicated calculation. But in orbit mode data fitting, you can just use Excel, yeah, with 5 minutes, yeah, 5 minutes to process the data, yeah, process the data, and then it's important, yeah, to simplify of the calculation. And this is our reference to make the method. We just use the fundamental theory because the important thing is we made some new method, yeah, to approximate the function to calibrate dipstick. Thank you everyone for the attention. Yeah. For more or less, I'm sorry. I'm big sorry. For more and less, or any word that hurts you guys. Yeah. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.